name is Dr. Ford, and we're going to be talking about athletes. This is part 3 of 3, and this is talking about specific micronutrients. There are some nutrients of concern, specifically iron, zinc, vitamin D, B12, and calcium. They all can be concern when you're looking at athletes. All of those micronutrients are required in higher intense exercise or more active populations. So if you are engaging in professional athletics or even non-professional but higher amounts of activity, paying attention to where you're getting your iron. Iron can be readily available in plants or animals. You also want to pay attention to, if you are supplementing, calcium and iron are taken separately because they compete for absorption. Zinc is actually lost in a lot of exercise. So you want to be paying attention to where you get zinc and how you're preparing your food, like soaking beans or soaking any sort of legume is going to be better absorption because you're decreasing the phytic acid. Other nutrients of concern, vitamin D, that's going to be helpful in any sort of bone tissue, B12 and energy production, also riboflavin and energy production, and calcium, also related to bone health. So when I'm working with someone who's super active, biggest foods that can have some of these micronutrients are whole grains. So ancient grains, oatmeal, whole wheat products, also any sort of bean or nut, making sure they're getting a wide variety there. I'm coming. And also sometimes fish or anything, if you are a meat eater, anything that is around a lot of seaweed or soil from the ocean is going to contain a lot of these micronutrients. Anything more specific, I would want to see you specifically to individualize the recommendations, but hope that helps. Okay, bye.